Welcome back to the channel. Today we are explore how to design a 3D map in Photoshop. Open Photoshop and create a new canvas. Import your map image in high resolution. Use the pen tool or magic wand tool to select the map area. Press Ctrl+J to copy the selection onto a new layer. Go to the edit transform perspective to hit the map. Duplicate the map layer and move it slightly downward. Fill the side map with color to create a 3D extraction effect. Open layer style and apply bevel and emboss. Add drop shadow for realistic depth. Use gradient overlay for land color variations. Import terrain or texture images and clip them to the map. Paint highlights and shadows with a soft brush tool. Add pins, markers or labels for key locations.